We offer churches a journey where we help implement these concepts. Over a period of about 4 to 6 months, we journey through a series of phases where we look for change, not on a surface level, but on a much more deeper level, a heart level. Why do we do the things the way we do them? Is that what Jesus intended? Where do we focus and why? Too often a new program or tools are applied without looking into the deeper reasons and beliefs. That is exactly what this is not about. This journey is developed together with the Movement Leaders Collective that we work together with and has proven to be a blessing to many churches already. We like to go in depth. The end result of this is not a changed surface level appearance program, new tool thing. No, rather it is a looking into motives, beliefs, sources and realigning these with Jesus. It is about opening our hands and coming to Jesus that way, praying, knowing that we are dependent on Him. This journey is always specific and tailored to your church. The timeline for this is somewhere between 2 and 4 months initially. The whole process does take longer, of course. We see this as a journey where we travel together and take things loosely. We are open to adjust along the way. Please contact us for more information. It all starts with a call or an email, and who knows where this will end.